Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video, I will show you how to use Snapchat in the online browser. Snapchat is one of the most famous messaging platforms with millions of users on a daily basis, and although the app is available on both iOS and Android, it is good to know that it's also possible to use Snapchat online. So stay tuned as I will walk you through a couple of solutions. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. The first solution could be logging into your Snapchat account. In the browser, just go to the Snapchat accounts page, enter your login information, and after you log in, you'll be able to change your account settings with ease. This procedure can be done in any web browser. Unfortunately, you can't view Snapchat in your browser except for the account page. This means it's impossible to use Snapchat in the browser or to send messages on Snapchat from the browser. And that's because Snapchat remains an Android and iOS exclusive app and there's no desktop version available. However, you can use the Android emulator as a workaround and view Snapchat on your PC. Here's how to view Snapchat in the browser. To do this, just follow these steps. Download and install the BlueStacks emulator. You will also find the download link in the description below. Then open BlueStacks and go to the Google Play Store. Look for Snapchat and install it. Now start the Snapchat from the emulator. This is the only way to use Snapchat on your PC since there's no official Snapchat web app available. Otherwise, you can access your Snapchat account page directly from your browser without the need of downloading the app or an emulator for that matter. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.